Good morning, girls. Today we are going to see another program of your soft skill, which is your 14th exercise. Create a realistic water animation in a water image by applying ripple effects in Macromedia Flash. So for this, go to a new Flash document. Before this, what you need to do is you need to because effect is for water animation, right? So you need to download an image related to lakes and rivers. So download that image from the Google Chrome and keep it in your local drive, local disk. Now for new Flash document, you can either go to new Flash document dialog box opens. There you can click on Flash document and give OK. So I went to the create new template and I've gone for a new Flash document. Once this is done, what you need to do is here the size, look at the right hand corner of the timeline window, you can see the size is 100%. What you need to do is you need to reduce the size as 50. So the stage will be reduced to 50. Now next step is what you need to do is go to the file menu, go to the import menu item, just click on import to stage. I have given lake view 101 which I've stored in D drive. That I have clicked and give as open. Once it is once it is there, now what you need to do is with the selection tool you need to import that on stage. So after that is done, with the help of free transform tool, just adjust the size according to the stage. See to that the image covers the stage. So after this, the next step what you need to do is double click the layer, a layer property dialog box open. There you need to give the layer one name as big image. Then finally give OK. Now third step is you need to press Ctrl C. Ctrl C is nothing for copying the image. Now after copying the image, go to the insert layer icon and click. So a second layer will be displayed. There you need to give Control V. So you're going to copy the same image and place it on the another image. See to that the second image be little bit smaller than the original image. Okay. So it should be little bit smaller than the original image. And give the layer name as small image. After giving that a small image, now what you need to do is next go to the insert layer icon again and click it. So third layer will be displayed. Now in the third layer, click the first position of the third layer and just see to that the first timeline property of the third layer is selected. Once it is selected, from the toolbox select oval tool. So just give a round shape. Now you can see if it is white color, no, it will be easily visible. So I have drawn the oval shape in the water. So why oval shape is drawn here is to create ripple effect. So once the oval shape is drawn here, now you select any the same third layer, select any position from the timeline property. Here I am selecting 75 timeline property of the third frame and give a right click and select insert keyframe. So you can see in the third layer, whatever the oval effect I have selected is being displayed. Now with the help of free transform tool, you can just make the size bigger. Okay, after it is made bigger, now you select next timeline, that is layer 2, give a right click and give insert keyframe. The same way, give layer 1 also right click, give a insert keyframe. So once this is done, wait, here, insert keyframe. See to that the layer 3, layer 2 and the masking layer all in the same 75th position which I have selected from the timeline window. Once it is done here, now select the third layer, give a right click and go to mask. So after masking is done, again select the third layer first position and select the tween property from the property window and select shape. Now when you, so everything is finished. So let me summarize once again. First you go to the first layer, import image from the stage, make the size of the stage to 50 by selecting, because by default it will be 100, make the size of the stage to be 50. Then again go to insert layer icon and select insert layer. So first layer should be big image, second layer should be small image. So you have to copy the big layer image and paste it on the second layer. See to that the first layer is big and small, and the second layer a little bit smaller than the big. Then third layer, you need to again press the third layer where you're going to do all the activities. Now draw a oval shape from the toolbox and from the second layer and paste it on the third layer. So then go for the insert keyframe. See to that all the three layers are from the 75th position. Then go for select the third layer again. Go for masking by giving a right click to the layer. Then select the first position of the layer and give tween as shape. Tween as shape from the property window. Now to run this, you go to control menu and give test movie. Now you can see the ripple effect actually forms. You can see the oval shape which I have created, the water is becoming bigger and bigger. So this is actually the ripple effect. Thank you, girls.